Welcome back to Hakeem's Garage. So, what do we have here? We have a 2008 Mitsubishi Outlander, a 3-liter. So this would be the same for Mitsubishi Lancer and the Mitsubishi Outlander 4-cylinder, and for the V6, same as the Lancer. So we're doing the CV axle. We have a broken CV axle here, there, so we'll be changing that one there today. And so the only thing I did so far is that I just took the tire off. That was the only thing. So this is the cutter pin to hold. It's just for an extra protection for the axle nut. So after you take your tire off, this is the second thing we're gonna be doing. So the cutter pin is out now. So we're gonna keep it there. Okay, it's a 32 for the CV axle. We're gonna use a impact gun on this one. So our axle is free now. So we're gonna be taking off the two bolt for the strut. So you could do it two-way. You could do it from the bottom by taking off the ball joint. So once the ball joint is off, the whole spindle will pop up this way, so you have enough room to pop the axle out. Or you can just take the 2 bolts for the strut, so the spindle can come out from the top. So we will go with the strut. First, let's take off this 12 nut. So we'll have the ABS sensor loose, and we have the brake line loose. So when we take the 2 bolts, even if the spindle pops up, so nothing breaks. And there's one over here. Okay, that one is off too. So we have lost a slack on the ABS now. So even if the spindle or the hub comes out, there's no potential of ABS breaking. Okay. And that's the brake line. This 19mm socket bolts, and we have adjustable wrench there. No problem. You can use a ratchet to break it loose. Now we should be able to take it off with the gun. with 2 bolts off for the strut, and we have lots of slack on the ABS line and the brake line, so we could just use this bungee just to hold it there, so just for a support, so in case. From the spindle. So let's get my trusty pry bar and pry it up. Okay. So we're gonna put the pry bar from there and just pop it up. Sometimes tranny fluid might come up, might start gushing out, or in most cases might not. So you can just pop it up as soon as you see fluid coming up. You can just use a rag to cover that spot.